From the historic land of Kokofueninem where legends rise, it's the 7th edition of the ỌPEMSOÅ Festival. Join us from the 15th to the 21st of September 2025 as we mark the birthplace of ỌPEMSOÅ Osei I, founder of the Asante Nation. Under the theme, marking the birth of ỌPEMSOÅ Osei I, reviving and preserving our cultural heritage. Come experience 9 days of celebration, from cultural derbys and palanquin rides to cooking competitions, football galas, traditional games, food fairs, choral music, bragro rides, and a grand derby like no other. It's more than a festival, it's history in motion, and it's all building towards a heritage village in honor of our roots. Tell a friend to tell a friend. ỌPEMSOÅ Festival is calling, where legacy breathes and culture reigns.